Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, maroon color, light green color, violet color, pink color, red color, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w, capital X, small x, capital Y, small y, capital Z, small z, A for axe, B for bus, C for candy, D for doll. E for egg. F for fox. G for coat. H for helicopter. I for ink. J for jug. K for kite. L for leaf. M for monkey. N for narwhal. O for octopus. P for plum. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for tree. U for uniform. V for volcano. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yam. Z for zebra. Subscribe.